Hi everyone, this is my third training short, but before I begin, I just want to say my Arceus plush finally got in the mail, and it's smaller than... Sorry, I have a little cough. It's smaller than I expected, and Judgment! The camera's dead and it's back! The camera's dead and it's better! Sorry about that. I'm not really good at editing, so that won't be edited out, so... Just get my God. Okay, you two. You three are in charge. Are my main Pokemon right now while we go and battle Arceus. Oh my God, there's Arceus. It's small. Okay, now let's go up. Go, Chikorita. Chica. Wait, are you for replay? I'm better now, alright? And Hyper Beam. Frenzy Plant. Judgment. Spit on that screen. That is okay. Chikorita, return. Spit. Go Shadow Lugia. Sorry, I got that on my knee. Stop falling. Yeah. Stop being dead. No. Okay, let's set the camera right here. Let me vision. No, I'm gonna have to put it on this pillow for them so they won't stop falling. Okay, they're all better. Shadow down. I suppose it's like a takedown. So. Okay, I'll grab my little pouch of homemade Pokeballs. Yeah, I made them myself out of paint. Normally black Sharpie. Bart. How dare you! I'm doing that sound. Go Master Ball! Bing! Yeah, Arceus, you're mine! And,